This is probably one of the most common Facebook ads questions that I hear from marketers in 2025, and that is, how many creatives should I be testing? So I decided to put a little guide together based on what I've learned after making 1,000 or so ads and spending over $100 million. That way you can come back to this video and use this. But really quick, the first thing I want to address, this is going to be a spectrum. So the worse you are at making ads, the more creatives you're going to have to test a month to find a winner. The better you are at making ads, the less you're going to have to test to find a winner. I've seen ads spend a couple of grand and burn out, and I've also seen ads spend $1 million and still perform. What we're about to go through here is a general guideline that we use internally to make decisions for our brands. Let's get into it. If you're spending between $0 and $50,000, you really only need about 4 tests per month or about 1 a week. I truly believe that every brand is only one great ad away from taking off because I've seen it time and time again. So I believe they should spend all of their effort making the best creative tests that they can on a weekly basis. You're spending $50K to $100K a month. Ideally, you're testing 6 to 8 ads. Good way of doing this is by testing 1 video and 1 static ad per week. Spending $100K to $250K per month, ideally 8 to 12 creatives per month is the sweet spot here, which is up to 3 a week. Next is spending $250K to $500,000 a month. 12 to 20 is the range we typically use. You'll start seeing the range really open up as we increase spend. The reason why is whenever you hit this level, you typically have to start trying out completely new marketing angles from what has worked in the past, which adds a whole new layer of complexity to the ad creation process. $500,000 to $1 million per month, 20 to 30 tests per month is a typical range. Typically around this size, brands start getting very particular about their creatives matching the season of the year that they're currently in, which means they'll often be churning through creatives even if they're still performing decently. Finally, spending $1 million a month plus on ads. The range really opens up here because this is when you get in the top tier of D2C brands that may have 500 to 1,000 creatives live within their ad account at any given time. They're likely marketing multiple different products to multiple different audiences, and they have both internal and external creative teams constantly pumping out creatives. I know this may all seem overwhelming to a lot of you, but keep in mind, if you stick to it, you will find winning creatives, and those creatives are going to compound on themselves and stay within your ad account for at least a couple of months, if not longer. If you found this video to be helpful, make sure that you save it for later and comment the word chart if you want this chart plus a bunch of other tools that we use to make more money with our ads. See you on the next one.